Hey guys, Will back. We're gonna do a little project today. We're gonna take this tailgate brake light bar that we have on the truck, and we're gonna go from stock to solid. The 4-pin flat connector just kind of ripped apart. All the wires came out, and it stopped working. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace it with a little bit better one that I found. And yeah, let's get to it.
2 days, 2 dogs, 1 rig, let's go. Running on coffee and kibble.
So check this guy out. I found this at Advanced Auto Parts. I'm sure you can get it at any major retailer or Amazon or something. I'll find a link below. But this is a 4 flat connector towing, and good heavy duty cable, plus it's got this ring for easy pull out. You can see with our current one, I'll bring it up here to show you, the wires just kind of ripped out. First the left turn signal stopped working, and then the other one's just kind of bent out from removing it. So this is kind of crappy. So like I said, we're going to take this from stock to solid. We're going to put this new connector on. We're going to tape it all up and secure it, and then we're going to put a piece of corrugated tubing on it to protect this this wire harness. All right, here we go. Out with the crap, in with the new. Go ahead. I want to cut this, kind of remain it at the same length though. Gonna get this one out. Get rid of that. That can go in the trash. And also, public service announcements: mandolins are sharp. Be careful of your fingers. This comes with 12 inches of cable, just about. We're just going to splice it together and go from there. First thing I did do, used our trailer tester plug. Made sure everything was actually working, that it wasn't a failure on the trailer plug itself, which it was. So double checked everything just to recap. We'll go through it real quick, plug it in, and we'll test every circuit. All right, so now we know every circuit's working. We know the failure is most likely in this harness, which we kind of expected anyway. But we'll just we'll go through it and splice it together. All right. So match up the colors, pretty straightforward, and we'll start splicing.
We don't ride like 10,000 pounds sitting just right. Weight distribution bars locked in. Sway control tight, let the roll begin. Mirrors wide like a panoramic view. Dogs in the back like a hype man crew. Brake controller dial just so steady foot. That's the tow rig flow. Hips locked down, mirrors wide. Heavy on the back but smooth on the ride. We don't flex chrome, we flex control.
All right, we're all spliced up here. I'm gonna plug it on in. Oh, that works great. All right, so let's just run a quick test here.
Sunset bouncing off the toe. Trailer tracking clean behind. Straight as a rail on a county line.
All right, so everything's good. We ended up finding another break in the line up here, so splice that together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat shrink all the connectors. I'm going to wrap it up with some electrical tape, get it all secured up, throw the tubing on, and reroute it through the back of the truck.
Control. This ain't a truck, it's a tow rig flow. Hey. It's on the tow rig flow. Hey.
These cutters with the flat tip are great for cutting the zip ties down real low so they don't hang out and poke you. Thanks, Hank's Tip. Happily Ever Hanks. Check him out on YouTube. That's it all completed and buttoned up, secured. That looks pretty good. Another project from stock to solid. Thanks for hanging out with me this afternoon, guys.